Action.
Wait, cut. No, I'm saying it because we're starting that over.
Now, would you like to start that over?
You're so lazy, you get tired just talking about doing something.
You're so old, your first selfie was carved in stone.
You're so fat, your chair has a chair.
You're so ugly, your pillow sleeps on the couch.
You're so fat, you fell asleep while standing up.
You're so bald, your head shines before you speak.
You're so fat that your chair has to pray before you sit down.
You're so bald, hats don't even try anymore. You're so bald, people can see you thinking from far away. You're so ugly, your reflection pretends to be someone else.
Miles, go and clean your room.
It's my room.
Well, it's my house.
Then you go clean it.
You're so ugly, your smile makes the room uncomfortable.
You're so short, when you sit down, everyone looks like they're standing up.
You're so ugly, mirrors take a second before showing your face.
You're so old, people listen out of respect, not interest.
Yo mama's so skinny, she has to clap to stay warm.
Yo mama's so ugly, even masks don't help.
Yo mama's so fat, when she fell, nobody laughed. The ground cried.
Yo mama's so fat, she needs 2 mirrors to see herself.
Yo mama's so slow. It took her 9 months to make a joke.
Hi, I'll give you $10,000 if you break up with your girlfriend right now.
Do I look like the kind of guy who can break up with his girl for money? You're absolutely right.
You're so ugly. The mirror looks down before it looks at you.
You're so ugly, your mask asked for a mask.
This is not good.
You're so ugly. Your reflection shows up shaking.
You're so old, your birth certificate is written in past tense.
You're so ugly. People look at you the same way they look at bad news.
You're so dumb, you looked at a sign and still went the wrong way.
What's your life advice?
At the end of the day is gonna end.
You know what? You're so dumb, you forgot what you were thinking while thinking it.
You're so old. Your childhood stories start with, before everything existed.
Hey, Miles. You up for a rematch?
I thought I gave you enough of a lesson last time.
I came with the whole class this time.
All right, try to keep up.
Yo mama's so fat, when she jumps, she gets stuck.
Yo mama's so ugly. When she went to the zoo, people thanked her for escaping.
Yo mama's so lazy, she got fired from unemployment.
Yo mama's so old. Her first crush was a caveman.
Yo mama's so fat, when she sat on $1, she made change.
Yo mama's so dumb, she waved at a picture.
Yo mama's so fat. The elevator says, this is as far as we go.
Yo mama's so old, she knew the Dead Sea when it was sick.
Yo mama's so old. Her birth certificate says, once upon a time.
Yo mama's so skinny, she has to jump around to make a shadow.
Miles,
Hello, Baldy.
we've had enough. Hello, Siri. Miles has challenged you to a roast battle.
Hey, Miles. Are you feeling brave enough for a roast battle right now?
Are you sure you can defeat me?
I came with the whole class.
Bring it.
Your mama's so fat. I tried to think about her and got tired.
You're so ugly, people look twice just to make sure it's real.
Yo mama's so fat. Zombies stop and argue about where to start.
Yo mama's so fat, one bite turns into a lunch break.
You're so dumb, you got tired reading a short word.
You're so dumb. You tried to count to 10 and still got lost.
You're so old, your wrinkles have their own wrinkles.
You're so old, your birthday wish is just, another year, please.
You're so ugly, your own dreams keep the lights on.
You're so dumb, you forgot your own point in the middle of the sentence.
You're so old, your shadow walks slower than you.
You're so old, your first birthday candle was a torch.
I won't ask who your favorite child is, since I'm your only child. So I'm gonna go to the next question. Dad, what is something that I got from Mom that you don't like?
You talk too much.
Mom, same question.
Your face.
Did you just call me ugly?
Honestly, you're so ugly, you walk into a room and the mood walks out.
Well, you're so fat you left your ring around the lake.
You're so fat, you take selfies in sections.
You're so ugly, your face makes strangers check if they're dreaming.
You're so ugly, even your shadow stays a safe distance.
You're so fat, people know that you're coming before they see you.
So that's what happened? Also, what happened to your hair?
You're so dumb, you failed a breathing test.
Hey, Baldy, you remind me of something.
What?
That feeling you get when you open the fridge and nothing's there.
I wrote your life story.
Already?
Yeah. It's 1 page, and half of it is apologies.
You're so ugly. People take pictures of you for Halloween ideas.
You're so ugly, your makeup said, I'm not fixing that.
You're so lazy. You rest before you even get tired.
You're so ugly, people cross the street before you even step outside.
You're so ugly. Your tears run away from your face.
You're so skinny. When you turn sideways, you disappear.
You're so bald, you can't hide secrets.
You're so poor, your shadow left for a better life.
You're so bald. Your barber uses polish instead of shampoo.
You're so dumb, you failed a yes or no question.
It's simple. All you have to do is answer the question on the board. You might just be the dumbest person to ever walk on this planet.
I agree. He is so dumb that he can fail a blinking test.
Well, you're so bald. Mosquitoes land on your head to ice skate.
Miles, you're so ugly, the wind turns around when it reaches your face.
You're so ugly, the dentist puts a bag over your face before looking at your teeth.
What's wrong with you people? You're so ugly, even your shadow tries to walk ahead of you.
You're so ugly, your nightmares have you in them.
This is too much.
You're so ugly, even your pillow sleeps facing the other direction.
You're so ugly, when you were born, the doctor said, nah, try again. Can't believe we're stuck here.
Yo, Miles, I found something.
What is it?
A lamb.
Oh, God, really? Use one of your wishes to get us out of here.
Why don't you just use one of your wishes?
Give me that.
Hello, boys. You have 3 wishes each.
Wish us out of here, bro.
I wish for money, fame, and a girlfriend.
I'm afraid I can only give you money and fame, 'cause I can't get you a girlfriend.
Is it because of one of your rules?
Nah, it's because you're ugly. So ugly that your blankets sleep on the other side of the bed.
Well, you're so fat, your chair starts praying before you sit down.
You're so lazy, you fell asleep standing still.
You're so fat, when you lie down, you still look like you're standing up.
Genie, I wish I had good looks.
Yeah, no.
Why not? Did my wish break the rules?
No, I just don't do miracles.
I have advised for everyone who have failed. Just because you have failed this test does not mean that you're going to pass the second one.
You're so ugly, people smile at you out of fear, not kindness.
You're so dumb you failed to guess what you just said.
You're so dumb, you tried to think fast and tripped.
You're so dumb you got lost in a hallway.
Hey, can I get your order?
Sure, can I get a light roast?
A light roast, huh? You're 30 and still live with your parents.
Well, you're so ugly that your face is in your nightmares.
You're so fat, when you passed through the door, your shadow got stuck.
Yo mama so fat she fell in love and broke it.
Yo mama's so strong, she didn't drive you to school, she threw you.
You're so ugly. Your imaginary friend plays with someone else.
You're so ugly, your face is used as a Halloween mask.
Yo mama so greasy, she sweats cooking oil. You know what? Now that I think about it, you look like a before picture of a fitness ad.
Well, you look like a person who never made it in life.
You guys have no proof that I roasted anyone. Where's the proof, huh? Where's the proof?
We have proof right here.
You're so ugly, your hair left and never came back. Oh!
I'm not gonna lie, bro. You're so short, your shadow has to kneel to match your height.
Well, you're so fat, your floor says move, I can't breathe.
You're so dumb, you needed a calculator to count your own fingers.
You're so fat, you don't get on rides. Rides get on you.
You're so short, you picked up a coin while standing up.
You're so dumb, you brought a map to hide and seek.
Let me handle this guy. Your birthday candles are taller than you.
You got locked in a bathroom and still knocked to get out.
Hey, Baldy.
Hi, Shorty.
I just broke up with my man, and I'm looking for someone at the moment. Do you have any friends?
Well, you're in luck, 'cause I have a single friend too.
Really?
Yeah, this is Miles.
What's up, good looking?
Hey, shorty, what's up?
You're so fine. How tall are you?
5'1".
5'1"? Baldy.
Hi?
I told you to show me your friend, not your children. Your friend is the type of guy who can do a backflip under the table. You know what? I have a 12-year-old brother at home. You can be his friend.
How much do you weigh?
About 300 pounds. Why?
300 pounds. You're so fat you could be the map in Call of Duty. You're the type of girl who asks for extra butter on her butter chicken. You're so poor, you can't even afford to think rich. Man, I'm so bored right now.
Yo, Miles, describe me in 2 words.
All right, do you want the friendly opinion or the honest opinion?
The honest opinion.
Bald and ugly.
You know what? I can describe you in 1 word.
And what's that word?
Dumb.
You're so ugly, the ghost in your house asked to be transferred.
You're so dumb, you tried to cook cereal.
You're so ugly, the mask company said, we can't improve that.
You're so ugly, monsters check under their bed for you.
You're so dumb, if I had $1 for every time you were right, I'd be broke.
You're so old, you watched History Channel live.
This again? Answer me this. Who was the most fat person in the 1800s?
Yo mama?